Really now, do homes sell in fall and winter? My answer to you is absolutely. And more importantly, you can actually net more money in this type of market than you can in spring and summer. I'm Denise Swick with Remax Performance, and let me give you 3 reasons that are valid and why now through February is still a really great time to get your home on the market and more importantly, get it sold for even more money possibly. Number 1, right now through February, there's a lot of relocating going on. The military, there's corporations, there's a lot of different people planning for 2020 or for the next year of whatever year it is, so that they can actually get their people in place across the country. There's also, unfortunately, people that are getting divorces and having to go buy new homes. There's also people that are getting married. Did you realize that September and October are 2 of the most popular months for people to get married in the whole entire year? And what comes right after that? Buying their first home. So they're excited, they're motivated, they're ready to go. You know, number 2, I just kind of hinted on, which buyers in this market are a lot more qualified and motivated. Because truly in Ohio, who would want to be out in November, December, and January when the temperatures are frigid and there could be snow or ice or sleet on the ground and you're having to pack up the U-Haul and move it? Do you know what I mean? So the buyers that are buying in this market are really qualified and really motivated, or they wouldn't be out searching for homes because it's not, 85 and perfectly sunny. And then number 3, and probably one of the best reasons, is most people think that nothing sells during this time of year. Well, I can tell you that if that's the case, and I've been selling real estate for 30 years, I would be laying on the beaches of Bali or Florida or somewhere and enjoying the next 4 months off, when in fact, I'm going to be here helping a lot of buyers and sellers do just what we're talking about, which is buy and sell homes. So for sellers, there's actually less competition on the market right now for those really qualified and really motivated buyers to choose from. So in spring and summer, real estate signs pop up faster than tulips, So there's a lot more homes for those buyers to choose from. They can be even more picky than they can at this time of year. So for all those reasons, the people are always moving, the military corporations are relocating, the buyers are qualified and motivated at this time of year, and there's less sellers for you to compete with, makes it the perfect storm, so to speak, for you to actually get your home on the market, get it sold, and even net more money. So I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed this valuable information. Let us know if we can help. I'm Denise Swick with Remax Performance.